Hello guys. Welcome to my channel. I am Cito. Please like and subscribe so you don't miss out on anything, including some budget VFX tutorials I will accomplish with this setup. Previously I showed you how to access your CPU. So today, we are going to swap it to a better one. Remember, no software update is needed for this process. Here, I have another identical one who my 5 subscribers are familiar with. We are going to use the previous process to access its CPU. There they are. As you can see, both seem identical, but the new one has a dual-core i3 and the old one a quad-core i5 with 3.4 GHz. That is what we want. To install it, you align these notches and carefully drop it. Next you drop the CPU securer. Pull up the metallic thingy. Pull it outward and under the securer it goes. This is the thermal paste I use. First I remove the top one. Then apply it on the CPU in AX direction. This is the way I am used to. Next, grab the heatsink and gently place it on the CPU. Next, reattach the fan connector by pushing it down until you hear the click. Now you are ready.
Nice.
For the RAM, you push these holders down completely. Next, you grab it, and lift. The installation process is the reverse. Align the RAM notch with that on the PCB. Push it down until the holders start to rise. Then, clamp them back in place. We are not going to use the other 4GB stick because it is 1300 MHz. As you know, this will limit the other faster 1600 MHz to 1300 MHz. So we will stick with 8GB RAM. And there you go. CPU and RAM change. Please like and subscribe so you don't miss out on anything, including some budget VFX tutorials I will accomplish with this setup. Bye.
Try to let go of the past. I close my eyes, embrace the blast.